On Pitstop's dashboard, you can see a preview of your overall fleet health. You can check your vehicle availability status, prioritize fault codes and insights, how many PMs are overdue or due soon, and how many vehicles are safe, unsafe, or have resolved DBIRs. If you go near the bottom of the page, you can see a table here that prioritizes your vehicles based on risk severity. Here you can easily find specific vehicles using the search functionality in the table. You can see the mileage and engine hours, what types of engine lights are activated on your driver's dashboard. You can look at how many issues there are by severity, the latest DVIR assigned to that vehicle, when the next preventive maintenance visit is due, and the vehicle availability status. So whether there's a repair in progress, it's running on the road, there's an open work order, or it's blocked for another reason. Here's the notes field where you can add any general information about the status of the vehicle that could be useful for your team to know. And the last feature here in the table is the vehicle health report, which you can print, download, or share with your technicians. And this serves as a supplementary document to work orders that provides a dynamic checklist of issues technicians can review without the need of a scan tool. Our vehicle health reports can also help standardize repair quality, especially for junior technicians.